Okay guys, so let's start today. I want to share you this how to create anime drawing and what is the procedures when you draw anime drawing, what is need to maintain. Okay, so for normally anime drawing or any kind of character drawing, when you draw, you need starting from the circle. The circle is the main key points, but what is the difference between the anime drawing and normal human drawing? So lots of difference between the body, face proportion, and eyes, nose, and mouth. Especially for anime or manga drawing, it is a difference. Normal human body 7.5, but when you draw the anime drawing, it's more longer than it is 8.5 or 9, sometimes 10, 11 also. We do this. Okay, and the one more thing is that the color is something different, and mostly the anime drawing, the heights, especially the leg heights, is more bigger. Okay, so let's we'll jump our paper page, so you can see this in my paper. What is so these drawings I share you on paper first. Okay, what is the anime drawing? How to work? Okay, so normally I'm using for two different type of pencil for this. One is I'm using the Staedtler black, and Staedtler is good pencils because it's for the darkness, and as well I'm using sometimes the Staedtler blue color. This also is smaller, but it works nice. Okay, so now I'm using this Staedtler black. Okay, so first of all, even I want to share you this in this session. Okay, what I did before, some drawing. So this is some characters, as you see, I did for anime character. For this boy is very energetic, and this is it's a kids kind of. So if you see here, I just want to share you some more few drawings. This last week I shared you this. Okay, this drawing. So normally I draw first hand drawing and then creating the illustrations with the Photoshop, using Photoshop, this style. And before I draw, I create something sketching like this. Okay, so hand drawing is a main important things. Okay, if you were one TVA to be a artist, like anime artist, so you need to learn lots of comics books, drawings, and this is a manga or anime drawing, basically comics art style. So here I show this is step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, how to make the layouts, first gestures and the layout, then final line drawing, and then the color. So this journey is very important. So today I show is manually how to draw these things. Okay, so my target 2 character designing, one is this, and another is this is a turnaround. I show this how to draw this. Okay, and another drawing is this is the final outputs. Okay, so but as you know, when I start, the first is the layouts of the pencil. This is the most important. Okay, now I show you how to the step by step do this. Okay, and draw with me, and I explain everything how to do this. So now before I start the drawing, I just want to share what is normal characters. Okay, so when I draw anything new drawing, I need, so I'm using over here ball. Okay, that's ball as reference as circle. Okay, so anything looks circle you can make a circle like with the clay or ball. So why I need it is because when you create a character in a human body, a human skull, okay, you can see here. So it is normally, you can see over here, and side view like this. So, but the main part when you draw portrait of any human, normal human character, so when you understand the difference between the anime drawing and human drawing, then you can clearly get idea how it is works. Okay, so this basic shape is a circle. Okay, so that's why I just show this is a circle like this. Okay, ball or any shapes like this. Okay, or this. So circle is a basic point, and I show how it is important, why it is important. Okay, and next is coming, whatever you draw in human body, or for the human body, supposed to first I start from the eyes, with these eyes. So we need to know what is the basic shape of eyes, normal human eyes, okay, and then I show you what is the difference between the anime human eyes. Okay, so normal human eyes, when you draw, why the circle is important, a brief word. Okay, so always start from the circle. If you draw the eyes, so draw the circle and curve line. See here the curve line. So this is actually eyeball, which is inside the eye socket of skull. This ball is inside this eye socket here. Okay, normally eyeball. So the whole part, it's not visible, we're not seen. But when you draw this, so first basic shape is normally visited like this. Okay, basic eye shape, circle and two curve line. But when you draw, it is realistic. Then it's coming like this. Okay, this comes like this, and so this line is coming like this and this, and here it is. So this is coming down, and this line coming up like this. Okay. So what is the relations between this and inside? You can imagine one oval line like this. Okay, this line coming down. It's an oval line. Okay, like this. And then the eyeball coming, the eyeball, whatever eyeball you are, anywhere you can want to put, it's also look the circle. It looks like a circle. So circle is a main important part if you make this. So this part I share you because of first know this, what is the normal human character, human eyes looks, and what is the anime eyes looks. This is the normal. But everywhere you need the circle. Okay, you use this, right? So, and we are using something depth. Here it says the depth. You see here it's the depth. So depth area you can make it the more darker. Okay, more darker like this part. Okay. Now, if you are draw with the normal nose like this, because this 3D dimension, this also using normally circle and straight line. So like so all those shape of human face part, like a nose, eyes, ear, okay, so all the basic shape is okay. The basic shape is either this, okay. This is all the basic shapes, and all basic shapes start from only we are using only three things, four things only practice always. One is circle, one is the oval, one is a curve line, this side or this side or this side or this side, curve line, okay, and one is a straight line. It is very important. Either sleeping straight line, either standing straight line. This is, so this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 things are everything. If you are practice these things, you can learn anything. Okay, I just start my drawing paper more focus. I hope this is now more focused, my drawing paper. Right? Fine. So why I show these things? Suppose to when you draw the nose, see eye shapes like a circle. See, eye shapes like a circle. Okay. See why shape circle? Because when you draw this oval, okay, the oval. See, this shape is coming like this circle, like this, join like this, do like this, okay, here like this. So all are inside the oval. The symmetric shape is oval, right? But when you draw the nose, okay, see the basic shape is this. But if you see the basic shape of nose is like simple. That means triangle. Okay? This is triangle. But this triangle, when you convert in 3D, it's look like this. It's a 3D, right? So see here it's look like it only the 2D. 1, 2, 3 line. But when you move it like this, then it is a look like a 3D. Okay? As soon as the better know if you are to do this, what is a 3D? Okay, this is because anim drawing is 2D. Okay, but if you understand this 3D, matlab what means that the 3 dimension 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now when you draw these things, you need first. See, this is I make something here. First, this shape is like this. Basic shape is like this. Then we can convert. That means first you draw the straight line like this, and then you just go to nose. If you want to go nose, so you can draw like this, make a circle. Here you draw the, okay, like this, add the line, curve line over here, okay, make the straight line over here. So this is the basic shape of nose. Understand? For example, now I show you on next page. If you want to make like an ear, okay, here also same techniques. See, like here, also same techniques. Okay, so it is also first make this oval. The basic shape is the oval. Like basic shape is like this. Okay, oval. So first make the oval like this, and now you can just convert to oval to. So first I explain the why this realistic drawing needs, and then I explain all the why anim drawing, what are different between. So when you see this both together, then you're getting idea, okay, this is the changes, these are main things of anim drawing. Okay, so whatever angle you can see, this is all a different angle, but it's a oval. Okay, basic shape is oval. Even the nose, if you want to show this angle, whatever angle you like. Okay, just a minute. Okay. So now I come into the point of if you are going to share like this angle, you can see here, I just first draw the straight line. Okay. And here I just draw the circle. See here. You can understand this in this angle as well. Then you can go ahead to this little bit of oval shape. Okay. And your shape is coming. Any angle. Any angles you can go like this. Okay. Different angle, different shapes. If you want to side, same straight line. First make the straight line. The basic shape always is simple. So anim drawing, if you want, when I show you, you understand first very cut line. That's eyes and nose. So just do it like this and the straight. Okay, here you can go like this. Okay, and now just little bit modify your line. Okay, here and there. So all of the shape are basically. So if you know the basic shapes of characters, so you can draw anything in easy. Now I come to point of anim drawing. Okay, so let's show you. Take the new page and I show you the step by step how to create all those easy way. Okay, so are you ready for that? I just go to this. Cool. Okay, so I hope you understand that what is the human characters and what is the difference. Human character is normal character, or what is the anim. So when I show now anim techniques, so you can easily differentiate the what is the difference, specific difference at anim drawing and human drawing. So that's so, but the main thing, the basic things are always same.